How you doing, YouTube folk? Just want to make another video today. I picked up the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Case for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. So there it is right there. It's a clear case. Now, of all of the cases I picked up, this seems to be like, I guess, more in the normal price range. It's $44 with 31% off. But I remember picking this up for, I think, the Z Fold 3, and it was around the same price, if I'm not mistaken. And I was like well into it. It says a little 5% coupon off there on Amazon if you want to check that out. But it's the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Case for the Z Fold 5. So let's check it out. Kind of comes in a pretty big package. Most of them I noticed are coming in these larger square packages. The Taurus one came like that as well. So let's open it up. And what you get inside is just essentially, typical stuff. Let's see here. Let me back in a little bit. There we go. Okay, so here's the flimsy front portion of the case. Now this one does have the stickies on it. A lot of them didn't have the stickies, but you can see there that has the stickies there. Let's brighten that up a bit. And then the second little package is two little separate packages, and it comes with the back portion of it. So it's not a hard case. It's hard, but it's flexible. So if you like that kind of more TPU, kind of little bit flexible, but not super hard plastic. It's kind of in between the ones that are really super flexible and the hard plastic ones. There's actually another one I'm gonna pick up. I think in a couple of days it's coming. That's similar to this. It's an off-brand, and it says it's flexible TPU. So I don't know if this would qualify as flexible TPU. But it's flexible-ish, if you will. So here's the, I got the blue Z Fold 5 there, so let's pop that in. It pops in real easy. It's like, so the stickers are probably going to be important because it does pop in pretty easy. Excuse my screen there. And then here's the other portion of it. It also pops in just super easy. So this is literally the easiest case that, in terms of just it popping in there, it's the easiest one I've seen. There, so, and there it is. It's solid. It's sure as heck not worth, as most of these things are overpriced, it's not worth the $40. I'm showing you the front of the phone. You need to see the case. It's not worth the $40 or $45 or whatever, but it's not gouging like the Taurus case. If you remember, I showed you all the Taurus case. It wasn't a price. This thing was just a price gouge, the $89 case. So I think I have it here. Yeah, this is the one I did last time, and it's just a complete price gouge. Like, yeah, this is completely ridiculous. And as a matter of fact, I was getting even a little more angry about it because, I was looking at it in comparison, and it is nice, but this portion of it, like this back portion of it, it really it's really like not even 2/3 the size, and it doesn't even have this portion of it as the one on my MacBook. My iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it was a quarter of the price. But anyway, let's get over that. I'm still kind of rolling with this one here, and this is a Macabo case. Sorry about that. This is a Macabo case, and again, this is $21, and that's this one here. And it kind of has a flexible-ish kind of feel to it. It's not, it's cheap, but I kind of think if you want to go with a trusted brand and you're okay spending $40 and you want to see that clarity, like it's clear, you can see the color of it, then cool, go for it. But personally, I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I kind of doubt it because this is just such a good deal. And it doesn't really offer any more protection, especially if I'm not really a hinge protection person because I feel that makes the phone too bulky. So I don't know. But if you don't mind paying the $45, this one's okay. I mean, I would say if you're gonna overspend, $45, okay, that's fine. And it's nice, you can see the phone, the color. I don't know if it'll yellow. I don't remember my other Spigen case yellowing, actually. The one that I had in the Z Fold 3. So I don't know if it'll yellow, but you see the little Spigen branding there. I don't know if it'll yellow, but I think that it you know, it'll get kind of scratchy and it won't last a super long time. But it's, I guess if you want to go the trusted brand, I would say go for it for now. But I would probably still roll with this one for the time being. Okay, well, just a quick video, a little update on the battery life on the Z Fold 5. So today, oddly enough, I actually got, I'll go to the battery settings, let me do that real quick. I actually got, whoa, sorry about that. I actually got a, there we go. It actually went out of like the battery mode where it's kind of like still figuring out your usage case. And so now it's actually telling me what the battery life is like. So today I've used it, I guess the details of it here. I've been on the screen almost 6 hours and I'm at 34%. So that's actually not bad, because I'm not like the person that has this thing closed. I have this thing open as much as possible. So if you look at my percentage, like I've been watching YouTube videos, half of that I would say, you know, I'm out and about and I have it folded in my pocket and I'm just listening to something like an audiobook, or I'm listening to a podcast or even a YouTube video. I was listening to a few YouTube videos and just, you know, instead of watching the video, because I don't need to see the phone, I just want to hear the review. You know, it was pretty good. Like I would say half of that YouTube time was mostly watching and half of it was probably just mostly listening, and I had the phone closed. But in terms of you know, actually using it overall, I'd say, you know, I'm pretty happy with it being 35% or 34%, whatever it is. And it's already, you know, for me, it's already 10 o'clock at night. So pretty solid. Anyhow, back to the case. Spigen Ultra Hybrid, crystal clear, 44 bucks on Amazon. I would say, yeah, go for it. If you want to do that one, I'm not too mad at that. Not like I am with the Taurus case. All right, take care of yourselves. Hope your family's well. Hope you're well. And, you know, we'll try this again another time.